From unique gestures to a convenient tool palette, your Apple Pencil Pro has so much to offer. Here's how to use it. Apple Pencil Pro is compatible with iPad mini with A17 Pro, 13-inch iPad Air with M2 and M3, 11-inch iPad Air with M2 and M3, 13-inch iPad Pro with M4 and M5, and 11-inch iPad Pro with M4 and M5. We'll show you the actions and gestures you can use with your Apple Pencil Pro, and we'll explore its features and customizable settings. First, let's go over the actions and gestures you can perform with your Apple Pencil Pro. You can squeeze the barrel between your thumb and finger. By default, this action lets you open and close a tool palette on your iPad. You can also roll your Apple Pencil Pro between your fingers to change the orientation of certain writing tools, so you can control the thickness of lines or pen strokes. And you can double-tap the lower section of your Apple Pencil Pro with your finger. By default, this action switches between your current tool and the eraser. Now, we'll show you some features of Apple Pencil Pro and how you can customize your settings. In a compatible app like Notes, squeeze the barrel of your Apple Pencil Pro to open the tool palette. You can still access your drawing tools from the main palette using the markup button, but this tool palette appears right below the tip of your Apple Pencil. Use your Apple Pencil Pro or finger to swipe across the tool palette to expand it. So many options! Let's take this highlighter for a spin. Squeeze your Apple Pencil Pro to close the tool palette, and roll it between your fingers to change the orientation, just like you would with a real highlighter. Hover Apple Pencil near the screen to preview the angle of drawing tools. Oh, that was so easy! The tool palette contains more than just tools. We'll open it again and tap the More button for additional markup options like stickers, text box, and more. If you tap the Settings button, you can turn Draw with Finger on or off and quickly access pencil settings. Let's tap Pencil Settings. This takes us directly to the Apple Pencil settings, which you can also access by opening Settings on the home screen at any time. Under Actions, tap Squeeze to customize what it does, like switching between your current and last used tool, showing the color palette, using a system shortcut you've created, and more. Sensitivity determines the pressure needed to activate the squeeze gesture. Adjust the slider to the right to require more pressure, or to the left for less. Then, tap the Back button to return to your Apple Pencil settings. If you select Double Tap, you can choose what action the double tap gesture takes. The options for effects are on by default, but you can turn them off if you'd like. With these options, you can control how you want your Apple Pencil Pro to preview hover effects when it's near the screen, and if you want to experience haptic feedback. And if you scroll down, there are other settings to help you customize your Apple Pencil Pro so you can use it the way you like. All right, time to get back to work on our fly fishing note. And that's Apple Pencil Pro. Dream it up, jot it down.